Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, AMP cost will hit $1 by the center of 2024 and afterward $03 toward the finish of 2029. AMP value expectation 2024-2025. AMP cost began in 2024 at $0.36. Today, AMP exchanged at $0.51, so the cost expanded by 40% from the start of the year. The estimated AMP cost toward the finish of 2024 is $145 and the year-to-year change plus 2 to 98%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 184%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.13 per 1 AMP. In the main portion of 2025, the AMP cost will move to $0.95. In the final part, the cost would add $0.13 and close the year at $0.08, which is plus 308% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $3 by a 5-1. Monday, blemish $4.52. Tuesday, blemish $5.52. Wednesday, blemish $6.53. Thursday, blemish $7.53. Friday, blemish $8.54. Saturday, blemish $9.54. Sunday, blemish $10.54. Walk $15.57. April $15 MU7, May $15 193, June $15 196, July $15 016, August $15 or 114. AMP forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. AMP cost would move from $0.08 to $0.369, which is up 77%. AMP will begin 2026 at $0.08, then, at that point, dip to $0.0179 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.193. That implies plus 278% from today. AMP expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the AMP cost would ascend from $0.0369 to $0.03, which is plus 30%. AMP will begin 2031 at $0.0369, then at that point take off to $0.0393 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $0.397. It is about plus 678% from today. AMP value forecast 2024-2025. AMP cost began in 2024 at $1.36. Today, AMP exchanged at $0.38, so the cost expanded by 4% from the very start of the year. The Guaj AMP cost toward the finish of 2024 is $128 in the year-to-year change plus 252%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 240%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.81 per 1 AMP. In the principal half of 2025, the AMP cost will move to $0.134. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.3 and close the year at $0.131, which is plus 248% to the ongoing cost. AMP forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. AMP cost would move from $131 to $289, which is up 121%. AMP will begin 2026 at $131, then take off to $145 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $159. That implies plus 322% from today. AMP forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the AMP cost would ascend from $0.9 to $1.448, which is plus 55%. AMP will begin 2031 at $2.9, then take off to $0.311 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.33. It is about plus 783% from today. It's 2 AMP value forecast 2024-2025. AMP cost began in 2024 at $0.86. Today, AMP exchanged at $0.34, so the cost diminished by 6% from the very start of the year. The Guaj AMP cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.113 and the year-to-year change plus 210%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 230%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.72 per 1 AMP. In the principal half of 2025, the AMP cost will move to $0.118. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.03 and close the year at $0.115, which is plus 236% to the ongoing cost. AMP expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. AMP cost would move from $0.115 to $0.255, which is up 122%. AMP will begin 2026 at $0.115, then at that point take off to $0.127 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.139. That implies plus 306% from today. AMP expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the AMP cost would ascend from $2.255 to $3.98, which is plus 56%. AMP will begin 2031 at $0.255, then at that point take off to $2.75 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $2.95. It is about plus 763% from today. 0.1152024. AMP value forecast 2024-2025. AMP cost began in 2024 at $0.36. Today, AMP exchanged at $0.34, so the cost diminished by 7% from the very start of the year. The Guaj AMP cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.75 and the year-to-year change plus 106%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 122%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.95 per 1 AMP. In the main portion of 2025, the AMP cost will move to $0.80. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.11 and close the year at $0.69, which is plus 104% to the ongoing cost. AMP forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. AMP cost would move from $0.69 to $0.171, which is up 148%. AMP will begin 2026 at $0.69, then at that point take off to $0.74 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.77. That implies plus 128% from today. AMP expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the AMP cost would ascend from $0.171 to $0.08, which is plus 22%. AMP will begin 2031 at $0.171, then at that point take off to $0.173 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $0.186. It is about plus 450% from today. S11224. AMP value forecast 2024-2025. AMP cost began in 2024 at $0.36. Today, AMP exchanged at $0.35, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very start of the year. The Guaj AMP cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.95 and the year-to-year change plus 134%. The ascent from today to